What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today, Chris came over to... What's up, Chris? He came out here with his M3, as you guys can see, and we are going to switch something out. The mperformance exhaust. It's just a complete exhaust system. So right now he has stock downpipes. This is going to make the car sound so much different. I'm going to go ahead and do a before and after with the valves closed and then open. Alright, so right now this would be with the valves closed. Alright, so that was with the valves closed, and this one's going to be with the valves Let's go ahead and start loosening everything up. So this is what I'll use to support the weight of the exhaust, so I can lower it. So now we have the exhaust out. I'm gonna go ahead and keep everything else here. Alright, so this is the complete competition exhaust. I have the valve with this new system, so we don't need to swap anything over. Otherwise, we would need to swap over the valves to the new exhaust. Picking up the install right here at LA Mufflers. Junior is helping us out. They cut the secondaries. We're gonna go ahead and clamp it all together, as you guys can see. These are the clamps that we're gonna use, and everything else is gonna match up perfectly. There it is, guys. Matching everything up. So all we need to do is just for it to be on the ground, and then we'll go ahead and we'll do the exhaust test. Alright, so we're just kind of chilling over here, still waiting for them to finish, and this very nice EK just pulled up. It's super clean. That's a perfect wheel setup right there. It's got a cage, it's got a weight. This thing just sounds really good. Damn, look at that. I like the way they have that shifter on there. It's got the oil gauge, the air pressure gauge. Damn, this thing is super clean. Alright, so we got back from LA Mufflers. I pulled out the exhaust tips. I cleaned them up a bit. Gave the carbon fiber a quick little polish. And then we extended them outwards. Once they were extended outwards, we went ahead and used some metal polish to clean them out on the inside. We're gonna have to hit the polish again, maybe in 2 weeks. But I'm gonna get the attachment that goes on the drill to make sure that we get a nice deep clean. But I mean, overall, this thing looks amazing. And the fitment and everything is just it's factory. It's the way it is, and you can see the performance right there still. So like I was saying, it hits so nicely. So right now we're gonna go ahead and we'll do the sound check with the valves closed and open, and then we'll, it'll be the comparison to the before and the after. So we'll go ahead and we'll put this down and we'll give it a go. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do the test with the valves closed. do valves open, Sport Plus. Wow, that noise completely changed with the car. It's completely a different car. Alright guys, so that's it for today's install. Special thanks to LA Mufflers Jr., Gary for hooking it up. Everything came out really good. Nothing was left undone. Everything's secure. So for me, that's a great install.
Turned out great. Super happy.
Again, you guys are going to continue to see more stuff on this car. As a matter of fact, he's got a little goodie in there that I'm not going to really reveal because it's going to be, we're going to be working on it in the next few days or in the next few weeks. So again, more goodies to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on your notifications, and just let me know what else you guys would like to see. Unfortunately, like I mentioned before on a previous video, with daylight savings time, the day is over so quick. But he'll be back. We'll do another run. We'll see the car as it drives, and man, this thing sounds amazing. I really love this exhaust. For me, it's hands down the best. Well, we want feedback tomorrow.
Definitely.
So again, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later. Smoke him.
Yeah, smoke 'em.
There you go. That's M performance driving right there.
I'm waiting for school.